Well, hi everybody again. This is Kentaro Sato, SATOKEN'S. Boom! 2011 in the game. Heroes and Prospects Baseball Series number 1. And boom! Series number 2. Yay! 2 boxes of the in the game baseball products. Box break is open show. Well, thank you so much for watching my video again. Say everybody, it's a baseball time. Nice to see you again. How are you doing so much? Well, I was just touring around my room and found 2 unopened baseball stuffs. I'm not sure, I don't know the reason of why I didn't open these stuff. So I would like to open these 2 boxes today. Thanks so much for following my video again. Yes. Of course, I'm a huge, ice hockey cards collector, but also doing some little baseball stuff. So please follow me. Thanks so much. And today I also would like to show you some kind of the baseball souvenirs I have, which I have. Look at over there. That is the Mr. Sadaharu Sadaharu, the former legend Japanese home run hitter baseball players autograph. Which the message was, this is my name in kanji, Kentaro Sato, actually Kentaro Sato, Sato Kentaro. And the word inside here is, it says kiryoku in Japanese. It means passion, passion in Japanese, kiryoku. And this is here, his signatures. O Sadaharu, Sadaharu O. I had several opportunity to meet him in personally, so it's 5 years, 4 and a couple of months ago. It was in 2007. And one more time, I had the opportunity to meet with him. This is the picture. Well, 恥ずかしいな、なんか見せるのが。Of course, this is me. And here, O Sadaharu, Sadaharu O-san, before the game, Japanese professional game. I have the tour. Of course, I had the permission to get close, like here. So all the persons, the press person, right here. Of course, I had the pass, special pass to meet with him. So it was so close. O-san, O Sadaharu-san, and Kentaro Sato. It's me. Well, thanks so much. Just a piece of memory. Okay, so today let's open these baseball boxes. Thanks so much. Let's go. 王監督はですね、非常に紳士的な方なんでですね、とてもサインとかも気軽にですね、されてるみたいなんですけれどもね、たまたまちょっとね、仕事の機会とかもあって、お会いする機会があったもんですから、ちょっと写真とか、ちょっとね、色紙とかいただいちゃいましたけれども。So, let's go! The box number 1, I mean the series number 1. I guess there are 5 hits inside, maybe 1 memorabilia and 4 autographs. Dun. Oh. So, the card number 1 is, boom. What is this? It's like sweet plot. Between the Seams, Heroes and Prospects, Daryl Seriani. Shirane, I don't know him, sorry. Daryl Seriani. Daryl Seriani. Yes. No number. Daryl Seriani. Good cards. Seems like good cards. And card number 2 is autograph card. Adrian Sarcedo. Sorry, don't know him. Silver version. 知らねえし. And card number 3 is Will Myers. Will Myers. Will Myers. Don't know him. Silver version. Will Myers. And card number 4 is boom. Trevor Lickling. Trevor Lickling. 知らねえ. Silver version. And the final card is Stephen Ames. Stephen Ames. Silver version. Got 5 autograph cards. Maybe this is the best hit of the box. Hmm. これいいのかね。なんかよくわかんないけどね。So that was series number 1. So let's go to series number 2, box number 2. いやー、やっぱりプロスペクトものだからやっぱり知らない選手が出てくるとちょっとしんどいよね。毎回開けてるんですけどね、その時誰だっけ、カルリピケンジュニアのなんかジャージかなんかスティッチ入りのが出てきましたけどね。あー、また出た。So, the card number 1 is Between the Seams, Sitokoba. No number, Sitokoba. And card number 2 is Lumberglass, Josh Sale. こいつ聞いたことあるな。Josh Sale. I guess he's a good prospect, I believe. Josh Sale. Lumberglass. In the game, Lumberglass. Nice design. I love this design. Josh Sale. And card number 3 is James Harris. James Harris. And card number 4 is Julio Tehelan. これも聞いたことあるぞ、なんか。I think he's a good player too. I believe I'm not so familiar with the prospect player. I'm sorry. Julio Tehelan. Is this good? Julio Tehelan, silver version. And the last card is Colton Wong, silver version. So I guess I got maybe 4 good cards. Daryl Sirianni and Sito Caliber. Nice sweet spot. Autograph cards. And Julio Tehelan and Josh Sale. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video again. The next box break will be the ice hockey one, I think. I believe. Okay. Well, anyway, thanks so much for watching my video again. There are lots of autographs and pictures. Thanks so much. See you next time. Goodbye, everybody. Thumbs up. Bye.